Hello everyone, good morning. I welcome you again in the topic triangle. We are about to finish this. This is the last section of the triangle topic, that is Pythagoras theorem. I know that we are left with this question which is considered HOTS. It's a question from the textbook itself. Okay, quite important, quite difficult. So we are going to keep this kind of questions at the end. So the end will be completing all these kind of questions. So from today we are going to work on Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? First of all, I'll just tell you what exactly is that. So if there is a right angle triangle in this manner, and we are given that it is A, B, and C, then AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. The hypotenuse square is equals to sum of squares of the remaining sides of the triangle. Right? So this is what the Pythagoras theorem. You are aware about this Pythagoras theorem already, but today we are not going to just make use of Pythagoras theorem, but basically we are going to prove Pythagoras theorem using similarity. So let us understand what exactly we have to do now. So I'll just draw the right angle triangle here. Till that time you can read the statement. Okay, here is a right angle triangle ABC. Okay, prove that in a right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of remaining sides of the triangle. That means the same thing. To prove, what is to prove? We have to prove that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is what I had to prove, right? Of course, we need some construction here. So let's continue with the construction. You need to remember this construction. The construction is you have to draw a perpendicular from B on AC. I'll just name it as D. So what I will write construction, draw BD perpendicular to AC, right? Or draw perpendicular from B on AC intersecting it at point D. Anything you can write, no problem. So I have written the construction. I have written to prove. Given the hai, what is given here? The given is angle B is equals to 90 degree in triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC we have angle B is equals to 90 degree. This is given. So we'll start the proof. Proof ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है, बहुत simple है. Very interesting proof है. You remember whenever you see such kind of figure, such kind of triangle, we have used similarity in right angle triangle. You remember? We have used similarity in right angle triangle. So here again we are going to use similarity in right angle triangle. तो उसका एक correspondence लिखने का तरीका है, तो that also I am going to show you. तो correspondence लिखने का तरीका कैसा है? सबसे पहले एक मदर ट्रायंगल लेना है, A B C is similar to triangle. Start from the first letter for the smaller triangle. So it is triangle A D B, and now start from the last letter for the next triangle. It is B D C, and always keep 90 degree at the center. So this is the way how you can consider the similarity, right? So we are going to use the similarity. That's it, nothing else. That's it. So we have this by reason similarity in right angle triangle. So this is already you know, isn't it? I just mark this as equation number 1. Okay, so now after this we are going to work. So what you understand here is I need AC square, I need AB square, and I need BC square. Okay, so is it possible to bring all these from this equation? Let us check that. So it's very clear that I need to get AC square. So is there any way that I can get AC square? Can this give me AC square? It gives me AC, but I don't find AC in any other triangle other than the first one. So AC square I cannot bring. Fantastic, no problem. But at least I can bring AB square. So for AB square, what I can do, AB is in this one and AB is in this one. So here, if I take triangle ABC, similar to triangle ADB, we have AB upon AD is equals to AC upon AB as CSST. Clear? Getting it? So don't you think I can easily get AB square if I cross multiply this? right? So let me cross multiply it. So what do I get? AB square is equals to AC into AD. I'll call this as equation number 1. So here I received AB square. Now BC square. The second thing I can go for BC square. So for BC square, what I will do? I will take BC square, which can give me BC square. Okay, so the first one has got BC and the last one has got BC. So again, for the triangle ABC, similar to triangle BDC, right? Give me just 1 minute. Okay. So ABC is similar to triangle BDC. We have again AB upon BD is equals to BC upon DC is equals to AC upon BC. So these two can give me BC square. So we have BC square is equals to AC into DC, and I'll call this as equation number 2. So look at equation number 1 and 2 properly. We have BC square and AB square. But what is here as a addition in the proof? I need to go for addition of these two. So what I can do, adding equation 1 and 2. So if I add both the side, I have to add. It's simple to add. So AB square plus BC square is equals to this one, AC into AD plus AC into DC. So very simple. कुछ नहीं किया, बस ऐड किया. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. तो ये था मेरा वन साइड और ये था मेरा अदर साइड एज एडेड. क्लियर? So AB square plus BC square, I got it. I am just supposed to make, is that equals to AC square? Okay, that is equals to AC square. How can I prove that it is equals to AC square? So from the right hand side, I can take AC common. I hope you understand that. If I take AC common, what do I get? AD plus DC. Check kar lo. If I take AC common from that, I get AD plus DC. So it is AC into AD plus DC. What is AD plus DC? AD plus DC is again AC. So it is into AC. So is that equals to AC square? That's it. So we have AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. And that's it. Clear? Getting it? So very simple. If you want, you can practice the same by taking different names. Instead of taking ABC, you can take PQR, so that you can nicely practice it. Okay? So make sure that you understood this theorem. If you are not understanding, repeat the video, or else send a simple message to me that you did not understand the Pythagoras theorem. I'll send another video to make it more simple. Okay, let's continue. So now what I can do, pause the video, stop the video right now, complete the Pythagoras theorem का proof complete करो, and then come back to this particular video, the part of the video. Okay, so stop your work right now and complete it. Solve it all by yourself without copying. Make sure that you are going to solve it without copying. You can watch it once, and then at a time, as soon as you finish your watching, you can sit, keep the mobile aside, complete the Pythagoras theorem, then verify it if you want. Okay, fine. So I just hope that you will complete that, and now you will understand these questions which are based on the Pythagoras theorem. Let us start. So here we have question number 3, which whereas this angle is given 90, which it was not given, so I am just giving you. Understand, I have to find AB. AB I have to find, that means it's very clear, I have to find AC first, then BC first. Can you find AC using this triangle? Yes. And can you find BC using this triangle? Correct. So I'll just do that. I'm just going to do it in a short way, like DC square. I know that, okay, DC square is equals to AD square plus AC square. Hope you understand. DC is hypotenuse. So we have AC square is equals to DC square minus AD square. Clear? AC square is equals to DC square minus AD square, which is 15 square minus 9 square, which is 225 minus 81. How much is 225 minus 81? It is 144 AC square. So what is AC will be equal to then? Of course 12, and that's it. AC is 12. Similarly, I'll find BC. तो बी सी स्क्वायर डायरेक्टली आई एम राइटिंग, दिस इज वॉट यू हैव टू डू इट। ये जो मैं कर रहा हूँ ये आपको करना पड़ेगा। बी सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू सी ई स्क्वायर माइनस ई बी स्क्वायर। अभी ये कैसे आया आपको पता नहीं चलेगा, तो दिखाता हूँ मैं। आई नो दैट द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम इज सी ई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बी ई स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर। ओके, सो इफ आई वॉन्ट बी सी स्क्वायर, दिस नीडेड टू बी शिफ्टेड द अदर साइड, so that is how the equation is. Okay, so you are supposed to use this as a Pythagoras theorem as well, so keep in mind. Chalo, anyway, bc square is equals to ce square is again 15 square plus 12 square, which is 225 minus 144, has to be 81, right? It has to be 81. So BC square is equals to 81. What is BC is equals to? It is 9. So now very clearly AB is equals to AC plus BC, which is 12 plus 9. Answer is 21. That's it. Clear? If a unit is mentioned, then you can go for centimeter. If it is not mentioned, it's okay. Directly 21. That's it. Finished. Very very simple question. चलो फोर्थ देखते हैं। फोर्थ में क्या है? The question number 4 we are going to solve. In an isosceles triangle ABC, so I'll draw the diagram. Here is an isosceles triangle ABC, where angle A is 90. A is 90. AB is equals to AC. So here is B, here is C. Very simple. Prove that 2 times AB square is equals to BC square. तो पहले तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पे। AB is equals to AC है, एंगल A is equals to 90 है, ये तो गिवन है, राइट? इफ एंगल A is 90, do we have BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square? You may write the reason for this, Pythagoras theorem, right? But I hope I know that के AB and AC both are equal, so I can replace one of the AB and AC by the other. Okay, so I want AB, so I'll just keep the AB there, and AC has been replaced, so AB square plus AC is of course equals to AB, so it is AB square. So what do I get? BC square is equals to AB square plus AB square, 2AB square. That's it, and that's the proof. Easy था? Yes, very very simple, कुछ ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है ना? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं, let's move ahead. इसी फोर्थ क्वेश्चन को आप अलग वे से कर सकते हो, उसको मैं बोलता हूँ LHS RHS मेथड। ओके, व्हाई आई एम टीचिंग यू द अनदर मेथड इवन देन LHS एंड RHS मेथड से कर सकते हैं। व्हाई टीच यू द अदर मेथड? बिकॉज दिस मेथड विल बी हेल्पफुल इन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आफ्टर दिस, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 90% ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस यू कैन get using LHS RHS method. Okay, so let us see what that method is. For the simple question, let us understand the method, LHS and RHS method. Understand it. सबसे पहली बात, डायग्राम तो 100% I have to draw the diagram. तो here is my triangle named ABC, where I am given these two sides are equal. Consider which are equal, whatever is mentioned as equal, consider that as x. So of course this will be equal to x. So I can easily mention here AB is equals to AC is equals to x. The reason you can say given, right? And now take LHS. What is LHS? 2 times AB square. Now convert LHS in form of x. So what do I get? LHS is equals to 2 times AB. AB matlab x square. So it is going to be equal to x square. Now I'll go for RHS. What is RHS? BC square. What I know about BC square? BC square is AB square plus AC square according to Pythagoras theorem. I hope you remember BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. That means x square plus x square. What is that equal to? 2x square. So therefore here, is it LHS and RHS equal? Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. That is 2AB square is equals to BC square. So this is another simple and direct method, you can say algebraic method, to understand this geometrical example. ठीक है? तो using the same LHS RHS method, we are also going to solve next one, that is fifth one. Whatever method you like, you can follow, there is no problem. So I'll just solve fifth one according to this method. तो चलो, there is an equilateral triangle ABC. So I'm not going to waste my time, I'll just draw the triangle. If I'm using LHS, the equal side I have to consider as x, so this will be x. चलो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते. AD is altitude, so here is my AD, which is in fact the altitude. That means it is 90 degree. Okay, perpendicular. So what I have to prove? I have to prove that 3AB square is equals to 4AD square and all, and blah 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 blah. Okay, remember in altitude, in equilateral triangle, altitude acts as a median. Okay, so always remember this. Always remember it. Only in equilateral triangle. Only in equilateral triangle, and of course in some case of isosceles triangle also it is true, but that time we will discuss whenever we get that. But right now consider in equilateral triangle, altitude is median. But for other cases, altitude is not median, remember. Now for an example, if I take this one, this is a triangle ABC, and here is the same triangle ABC. Here is AM, which is median, and here is altitude AD, which is altitude. Altitude means perpendicular from the opposite vertex on the base, right? So they are not same. Okay, they are not same, but in case of equilateral triangle these are same. So AD is altitude as well as median. Median मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, ये दो sides क्या हो जाएंगे, equal हो जाएंगे. तो if DC, if BC is x, DC is supposed to be x by 2. Very very important value one should know. Okay, so here therefore DC is equals to half of BC, which will be half of x, or you can write it as x by 2. ठीक है, इतना काफ़ी है to start the question. So let's start the question with LHS RHS. The first point we have to prove, LHS is equals to 3AB square. So what my target is? My target is to bring x there. So 3AB square is nothing but 3x square. That's it. RHS I'll take. What is RHS? RHS is 4AD square. Let's talk about AD. Now how is AD? Now this is what one need to understand. So 4 times AD is AC square minus DC square. I just hope you understand this. If you understand, it's good. ये directly आपको use करना अभी आना चाहिए. देख लो, AD square is not hypotenuse. Okay, so that will come as with the subtraction sign. If it is hypotenuse, it will come as a positive sign, that is addition sign. So if I want to say about AC square, it is equals to AD square plus DC square. But if I want to say about AD square, it will be AC square minus DC square. Otherwise, if you're not understanding it, what you can do is you can write Pythagoras theorem and write AD square as you wish. So write Pythagoras theorem for this particular this particular triangle, and then write what is AD square is equals to. Okay, you will understand it is AC square minus DC square. So 4 times AC square. What is AC square? Is x square minus DC. DC कितना है? X by 2. So make sure that you understand x by 2 the whole square. Right? So I'll just simplify it. 4 into bracket x square plus x square by 4. Sorry, minus x square by 4. Right? So 4 times x square, I will simplify it here. 4 into bracket 4x square minus x square upon 4. This 4 and this 4 get cancelled. 4x square minus x square is 3x square. And I got LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equals to RHS, which is 3AB square is equals to 4AD square. Clear? Getting it? So very simple, not difficult at all. Okay, so I'll just erase this. You can try it out. But ये बहुत important है, ये first point जो मैंने बताया. In an equilateral triangle, altitude is equals to median. Altitude and median are both are same. Next देखते हैं, AD square is equals to, तो यहाँ है मेरा LHS AD square. तो अगेन AD square क्या होता है? AD square is x square minus x square by 4. बराबर है ना? AD square is equals to क्या होता है? चलो आपको चाहिए, मैं ठीक से लिखता हूँ. AD square is equals to AC square minus DC square, which is x square minus x square by 4. Hope you understand, x by 2 the whole square, right? So how much is that equals to? 3x square by 4. AD square will be equal to, ठीक है? And now I need RHS. What is RHS is equals to 3BD square. सो 3 इंटू बी डी, अभी बी डी स्क्वायर क्या है, बी डी बी डी बी डी, ओके, बी डी इज एक्स बाई टू ओनली, एक्स बाई टू द होल स्क्वायर, बी डी चेक कर लो, इट इज़ एक्स बाई टू, मीडियन है, तो इट इज़ 3 एक्स स्क्वायर बाय 4. तो डू वी हैव एल एच इज इक्वल टू आर एच एस, एंड दैट्स इट. होप थिंग्स आर इजी, इजंट इट. चलो सेम कैटेगरी में हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं, थोड़े 2 ही क्वेश्चंस रह गए, ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. लेट्स स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. पहले ये कंप्लीट कर देते हैं, फिफ्थ वाला थोड़ा सा इजी है, सिंपल है, कंप्लीट करते हैं. इन अ रोम्बस ए बी सी डी प्रूव दैट वॉट एवर इज गिवन. चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं इन अ रोम्बस ए बी सी डी. तो पहले रोम्बस ड्रॉ करते हैं. यू शुड नो द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रोम्बस दैट डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एंड दे आर परपेंडिकुलर टू ईच अदर, राइट. तो दिस इज वॉट माई रोम्बस विल लुक लाइक. आई विल ड्रॉ इट अगेन. Okay, this is how my rhombus will look like, right? These are the diagonals, and you know that the diagonals are perpendicular and they bisect each other. Okay, here is A, B, C, D, right? So we need to prove AB square, मतलब AB square, side square, AB square, BC square, CD square, AD square is equals to AC square, the complete diagonal square, plus BD as a complete diagonal square. So this is what I have to prove. The square of sum of sides of the quadrilateral is equal to sum of squares of its diagonals, right? So let's continue. Let's start understanding. I can use Pythagoras theorem in almost 4 triangles here, if you understand. In this triangle I can use, in this triangle I can use, even in this triangle, even in this triangle. But I will just use in one triangle and prove the required result. कैसे prove करना है, that I'll show you. In AOD only I'll use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle AOD, angle O is equals to 90 degree. Therefore AD square is equals to AO square plus OD square. अभी इस क्वेश्चन में जो मैं कर रहा हूँ ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस फॉर मेनी टाइम, सो अंडरस्टैंड इट. इज दैट ए ओ इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ ऑफ ए सी, बिकॉज सी आई नीड टू ब्रिंग ए सी एंड बी डी. सो कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट ए ओ, इंस्टेड ऑफ ए ओ आई वॉन्ट ए सी. सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी ए सी बाई टू द होल स्क्वायर प्लस ओ डी इज गोइंग टू बी बी डी बाई टू द होल स्क्वायर. बराबर है. तो वी हैव ए सी स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 प्लस बी डी स्क्वायर अपॉन 4, बराबर है ना, इज इक्वल्स टू ए डी स्क्वायर. तो आई गॉट द टू साइड्स, टू डायगोनल्स, जस्ट 4 शिफ्ट करना है यहाँ पे. तो आई गेट ए डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ए सी स्क्वायर प्लस बी डी स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 हो जाएगा, राइट. बट ये 4 में यहाँ से उठा के आई एम गोइंग टू टेक इन दिस साइड. तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी 4 ए डी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ए सी स्क्वायर प्लस बी डी स्क्वायर. ओके, डन. तो वन साइड आई गॉट इट, one side is there, only the other side I need to make it equal to what is required there as a LHS. तो 4 AD square क्या होता है, it is AD square plus AD square plus AD square plus AD square is equals to AC square plus BD square, right? But isn't it AD, AB, BC and CD all are equal, right? So all these ADs I can write as equal to the remaining side. So AD as AB I can write, AD as BC I can write, and AD as CD I can write, and AD I can keep one of it as it is, and I get the required result. LHS is equals to RHS, and the proof is done. Clear? Getting it? I just hope there is no confusion. You can prove the same by using LHS RHS method as well, but I just find this method is easier than the LHS RHS method. So I just showed you this particular question by using this simple normal regular method. Okay, let's understand this question. It's a question which is solved in your textbook. This is solved in the textbook. Okay, so I want you all to go through the solution and try to get the answer of this question. Otherwise tomorrow I am going to take it. Okay, so tomorrow first question will be this, but before that I want you to understand this question. Okay, if you understand all by yourself, great. Otherwise tomorrow I am going to take it. So till then, bye bye. आज ज़्यादा काम क्यों नहीं किया, because theorem we have done, so you also have to complete theorem properly. So that much is sufficient for today. From tomorrow we will be working on Pythagoras theorem, and still difficult concept than these. Okay, so till then, bye bye.